So hi guys, this is Malo here. I'm from VGSO, the B school around here. I was selected for buyer position at Rolls-Royce. So before I brief you about the process, the Rolls-Royce process, all the stages and the preparation you need to do, let me brief you about myself. So I'm from Nirma University. I did my engineering there. I majored in information technology. I moved to Cognizant and later on I moved to Amdocs, Amdocs Software R&D division. So I have total 3 years of work experience prior to I joined VGSOM. So at VGSOM I was basically exposed to the business of the whole technology. So let's say taking from finance, from marketing perspective, from operations, from supply chain, from various stages of supply chain. So this is what you'll require for your process. Then the preparation stages, I went through the shortlisting process, the written test, then and we had 2 rounds of interviews. Let me go one by one and what is there in written test. So written test consists of 3 modules. First is the supply chain concepts, the basic, very basic supply chain concepts, the efficiency, responsiveness, the inventory. So the basic concepts of supply chain is there, the warehousing and everything, right? So, and the second phase is the essay writing, where you will have 3 topics. You have to write on one of the topic. So it can be technical or it can be something abstract as well. So, and in the next stage there is a DI round. In DI round you will have 15 minutes and 37 questions. You need to interpret the graphs. 6 to 7 graph will be there, and you need to interpret it and you have to give answers like you've been given situation like this is the statement. Is it true, false, or can't say from the given information, right? So after this written test is done, the shortlisting happens. So we had around 240 people appeared for the test and 20 got shortlisted for the next round, that is interview. So in interview, they are basically testing your technical knowledge as well as the behavioral aspects. So in like I reached the at 5:30 a.m. for the process. They asked me to prepare paper pen based presentation. In presentation they asked us to write about why I want to join Rolls-Royce. So that was the whole crux, where you can express your capabilities, your skill set, your enthusiasm, everything you have, and what makes you the right candidate for the Rolls-Royce, right? So after the PPT preparation is done, you will be asked for you are asked to come for technical round. Technical round will for my interview it was about nearly 1 hour. As I have opted for buyer and supply chain position, they asked me the basic concept of it. The interview consisted of role playing, the scenario based questions. Let me ask you some, like, the problems were in the interviews were like, let's say I am a buyer, you are the customer, and you are the manufacturer, and some situations were given. So in this case what will you do, in this case what will you do? So nearly 30 minutes of interview was based on the role playing and the scenarios, right? So after that they were basically testing your technical knowledge as well as the business aspects. So many got eliminated just because of they have only technical knowledge. What also you require is the business acumen, whether you enter into the business for such transaction or not. For example, they given me the situation where buyer wants to supply the quantity at $10,000, wherein the customer wants also at the $10,000, right? So in that case you should not enter into the business. So it's the basic crux of it is you should think from the business perspective, the profitability, the cost management, and that's how your approach should be. Later on for the next round, that was the behavioral round. In behavioral round they were basically asking to present the PPT that you have prepared. They'll ask you about why Rolls-Royce, what values you will bring to Rolls-Royce, 3 major challenges in the supply chain, Rest, I guess everything can be manageable if you stay composed, calm. uh, okay, so all the best to you. Thank you.